You clean your ears to remove wax. But what if you're actually pushing it deeper?
Most people think earwax is dirty, but your ear actually produces it for a reason.
Earwax helps protect your ear canal. It traps dirt, slows bacteria, and prevents dryness.
So when you use cotton buds, you often push the wax deeper instead of removing it. And over time, that can cause blockage, muffled hearing, irritation, or even injury.
Your ears usually clean themselves naturally, so most of the time, you only need to gently clean the outer part of the ear. A soft cloth and warm water is usually enough. If wax becomes painful or blocks hearing, see a medical professional instead. So earwax isn't the enemy. Your ears actually need some of it. Follow for clarity, not confusion.